I'm gonna use my favorite refreshing tool, which is the argan oil creme of nature perfect 7. It's been a couple days since I had it washed, and my hair is still clean. I usually wash every 4 or 5 days, but it was very humid, raining today, so my hair lost the definition of my curls, and it needs some refreshing. I really like it. Just spray it like so, and I kind of mix it with a little bit of water. And you don't need all that much. I'm doing another spray of around that amount. Just kind of press on it. This is the quickest refresh with the most amazing results for me. So since there's not a lot of water, I don't need to use the hair dryer, but just wait around 10-15 minutes and it's gonna be ready to go. It's been about 20 minutes and this is the result. The curls are soft and a lot more defined, especially here. Must have put some more of the cream here than around here, so maybe I want to do another round around this area, or just let it go. And it's safe to use for curly hair. I think for me, I use it mostly to control frizz, moisturize, and just I don't know about Ed's Exotic Shine, but it's just a really good refresher. I call it refresher spray cream.